Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day after Persian New Year, and I figured I'm gonna give some love to this Heritage Edition SLR, and it's a one-of-one project we did with MSO, and maybe I can give you guys some update on the future upcoming projects. So let's go do it. Well, wish me luck. I don't think we've turned this car on in months, and hopefully it has battery and gas. That's a good sign. What's cool with this car, you got two options for the exhaust. You got the free flow. Very nice. All right. Ooh. Woo. This thing's got a kick.
So how are you liking this place so far?
I don't like the maintenance costs.
Gotcha.
But a lot of room. Yeah, well, you know, I bought it for investment.
Right.
6.2 acres, arguably one of the best locations in Orange County. So for me, it's a redevelopment play, investment, and I'm already in talks with some developers.
Now I wanted to ask you, on your Instagram, you were with like zebras,
Oh yeah.
giraffes? What was that about?
So I took my kids to San Diego Safari, and no joke, I felt like I'm in Africa. This thing was great, up close and personal with the giraffes, rhinos. Well, not so much with the rhinos, but elephants. If you guys haven't checked out San Diego Zoo, especially Safari, highly recommend it. It was amazing. My kids really loved it. It's 1,800 acres. 1,800 is huge. For comparison, the place I own is 6.2 acres, and this is 1,800. Imagine that. And the thermal, I think, is a little over 400 acres, the racetrack. So, a lot of land that I didn't even know exists. All right, so some update, exciting stuff. As you guys know, I've been always wanting to build my own car. And first it was a Tesla. I was gonna make a, supercar of a Tesla, soup it up and make the body really exotic on a Plaid Edition, Model S. Then I'm like, everyone's doing supercars, so I'm gonna do something totally different, do a really cool cruiser that's gonna be huge. I can't tell you more because I want it to be suspense and exciting for you guys, but I've engaged with a designer and I'm in talks, and I haven't signed the contract yet, so I can't tell you who it is, but very visionary, futuristic designer in automotive that I'm super excited to work with. And this is gonna be enormous car, 20 to 24 feet long.
How is that compared to a Speedtail?
Oh, a Speedtail is 17 feet long.
And you're talking how much?
Like 24 feet.
Jesus.
At least 21, because the Bugatti Royale, which there's only 3 in existence, is 21 feet long, and that was the, I think it still is one of the largest and longest cars. And I don't know where I'm going. Oh, man, we haven't driven this car in a while. Wow, but no joke, this car is a lot of fun to drive, no?
How does it feel compared to the HTK though?
Oh, much smoother. HTK has a tighter suspension. It's just more rugged, obviously a lot louder. And this one is like a luxury cruiser.
Does it still have the phone?
I don't know, let's find out. What?
Oh, nice.
Well, it's a fake phone.
Oh.
It's a rubber one. But one of my SLRs has the Motorola and it comes in chrome. You know what I discovered after years of owning multiple SLRs is this huge storage area back here that I can't open right now because I'm driving. Ooh. Oh, so much fun. I don't know why people don't love SLRs as much as I do. This car is incredible. And still great investment. No lie, I've sold a few of my SLRs, some of them for more than double what I paid for years ago, because I saw a big pop in the prices last year. So I think I'm down to 5 or 6. I don't even know. You guys know these cars are investments for me, and I can't keep them all. And I only got 1,210 miles on this car. So it's good to drive it because, if you don't drive these cars, they get flat spots on the tires, and that's no good. And also your engine will definitely have to be overhauled because I've done it on two of the SLRs where they had to take off the injectors. If you don't have the fluids running, you know, definitely they get clogged and they get stuck.
Now, what does it serve? Like, what's something like that cost?
It's about 30 grand. 30 grand to drive the car. Let's go driving. Well, we made it to Houston's. The problem with Houston's is it's never a parking. So we're waiting. And look, we got lucky.
When are they going to give you a designated parking spot?
Good luck. It's Irvine Company.
Oh, yeah.
He's probably going to ask for $1 million to give me a parking spot.
100%.
Look at the paint job on this car. Wow. Amazing paint job. I mean, MSO does an incredible job. Beautiful. All right, let's go get some sandwiches. That was the best crispy chicken sandwich of all time. And now back to the Ghosted 71 SLR Heritage Edition. You guys see the number 71 on there? All right, we're in business. So have you guys seen the prices of some of these exotic cars? I saw a SF90, brand new, selling 70,000 below a sticker. And these cars used to have 50, 100, 150, some 200,000 premium. It's crazy. Well, everything's gone down. I saw a P1 trade for 1.1 at auction, which I was shocked. Of course, it wasn't full carbon body. But I see some of the cars going up though, like the Bugatti Vitesse sold for 3 million. But I understand, you know, Veyron was one of the first hypercars of our time when it came out in early 2000s. And now you got the Vitesse, then you had the Super Sport, now you got the Chiron, now Chiron Super Sport, and Grand Sport, and the new model, which I was fortunate enough to see last week. It's incredible. All I know, it's nothing like the old Bugatti. Mater Rimac has really turned Bugatti into the next generation of hypercars. Well, I can't say much more, and you're gonna have to wait till. Oh, I don't even think I'm allowed to say that, so Nate, scratch that.
Yeah.
Well, this Mew never gets old. All right.
How was the first time when, like, coming back when the greenery was done? How did it feel coming into this place?
Oh, great. Yeah, when I bought this property first, the landscaping was trashed. Well, it was abandoned for a while, so there was no landscape, essentially no grass, no hedges, and the fountain wasn't even working. So it took a lot of sweat and tears and money to get it up and running, and it's beautiful now. It's talking about sweat and tears. Next week, I'm bringing my desk over to Palazzo.
Now, is that like a crane, or is that like, what's going on?
No. It's going to take about 8 strong individuals that have to carry it.
Is that
from Irvine to Costa Mesa? I'm just kidding. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe, be well, and I see you guys in the next one.